Hello, student. Now we are starting question 28. In 2017, the population of Egypt was this much. Write this in standard form. How to write this in standard form? You simply write 9.75 cross 10 raised to power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there will be 7. There will be 7 in the power. The population density of a country is the number of people per square kilometer. So number of people per square kilometer. In 2017, the population of Indonesia was this, correct to three significant figures. The area of the Indonesia is 2 cross 10 raised to power 6 square kilometer, correct to one significant figure. Calculate an estimate for the population density. So we know that उसने हमें density का formula दे दी है. So how to find density? So density is equals to population, which is 2.62 cross 10 raised to power 8 divided by square kilometer. So it is 2 cross 10 raised to power 6. So 2.62 over 2 is 1.31. Cross 10 raised to power 8 minus 6 is 2. So this will become 131. Okay. We don't leave answer in standard form. वो कह रहा था कि estimate दें. So estimate for the population density will be some number. So that will be 131. That's it. Turn this fraction x5 over 2x square cube. So x5 over x square is just x cube over 2 whole 3. So it will become x9 over 2 raised to power 3 is 8. Moving on to question 30, 1 minus 1 over 3, which is 3 minus 1 after taking LCM, which is 2 by 3. So standard form will be 3.4 cross 10 raised to power 3, 5 zeros. So 4 over 8 is just 1 over 2, which is 0.5 cross 10 raised to power 7 minus 21. So 0.5 cross 7 minus 21 is going to be 10 raised to power minus 16. Okay, minus 14. So now you will write 0.5 the decimal on the right side. So 5 cross 10 raised to power minus 1 cross 10 raised to power minus 14. 5 cross 10 raised to power minus 15. That's it. Find the value of k. अब देखिए दो स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म्स सब्ट्रैक्ट हो रही हैं ना, तो आपने 10 की पावर्स इक्वल करनी है दोनों साइड्स पे. सो 10 raised to power a, 10 raised to power a. Let's make this power 10 raised to power a. So how can I do that? 7 cross 10 raised to power a as it is minus 3 cross 10 raised to power a as it is dot 10 raised to power minus 1. इसको स्प्लिट कर दें. देखिए 10 raised to power a cross 10 raised to power minus 1. ये क्या होता है? If you look at the bases, they are same. So you simply add both powers. So it means we can break down this power, okay? So it will become 7 cross 10 raised to power a minus 3 divided by 10 cross 10 raised to power a is equals to k cross 10 raised to power a, if you understand. I bring this down, 10 raised to power minus 1 down, okay? The power becomes positive 1. So what is 3 over 10? You can skip this step, but at least write 0.3. So 0.3 cross 10 raised to power a is equal to k cross 10 raised to power a. Now take 10 raised to power a common. So inside is 7 minus 0.3. So which is going to be 6.7 cross 10 raised to power a is equal to k cross 10 raised to power a. So definitely k is going to be 6.7. That's it. Thirty-two. 2 cube x square cube will be 8x raised to power 6. 6t cube. Write multiply instead of divide and turn this fraction. So 3 over 2t square. So 6 threes are 18. T cube minus 1 over 2, which will be 9t square. Sorry, it is not 1. It is 2. So 3 minus 2 is 1. That's it. So y raised to power minus 2k is equals to y raised to power 5. Bases are same. Equate both powers. So k is equals to minus 5 over 2. Simplify this. So how to simplify this? You split cube in the numerator and in the denominator. There are different methods for this. चलिए मैं इसको पहले split कर लेता हूँ. तो it is only x over 8x cube, and you know x over 8x cube is just 8x square. So 1 over 8x square. Moving on to question 34. It is a nice question. Yes. So A, B, C, they are connected by a formula. The values of B, C, and D are given. So find the value of A when B, C, D. So A is equals to B square means 4 cross 10 square and a whole square, plus C means 6 cross 10 raised to power 3 whole divided by D, which is 2 cross 10 raised to power 2. So how to take it square? It is 16 cross 10 raised to power 4 plus 6 cross 10 raised to power 3 divided by 2 cross 10 raised to power 2. Further, it can be written as 2 cross 10 raised to power 2. How to add them? They are different powers. Let's make them equal. So it will become 16 times, I will write directly. Okay, 16 times 10 times 10, 3 plus 6 cross 10, 3. So 160 cross 10 raised to power 3 plus 6 cross 10 raised to power 3 divided by 2 cross 10 square. So what is 160 plus 6? So it is 166 cross 10 raised to power 3 divided by 2 cross 10 raised to power 2. Is that right? So next we have, now you will divide this 166 by 2 and then 10 raised to power 3 by 10 raised to power 2. So how you will do that? You simply divide 166 by 2. So that is 83 multiplied with 10 raised to power 3 divided by 10 square. So 3 minus 2. So 83 cross 10 raised to power 1, which will be written as 8.3 cross 10 square. So that's it. Rearrange the formula to make B subject. So AD is equal to B square plus C. So AD minus C is equal to B square. Take square root on both sides. Never forget to write plus minus, so AD minus C is equals to B. That's it. Moving on to part B, you have given some expression, and first of all, let's find the value of M from the given expression. So how can I make M subject? Let's take maximum M, and then I think we can take M 10 square common. So inside will be 10 square plus 1 is equals to 36360. So it is M times 10 square into 101 is equal to 36360. Let's divide everything on the right side. So 36360 divided by 101 into 10 square. My question is, can I write? Please keep this in your mind that it is a without calculator paper. So divide carefully, okay? So first let's divide this value using long division. 363 36360 101. So 101 into 3 will be 303. So 363 minus 303 is 60. Then bring down that 6. So bring down that 6. So 101 times 6 is 606. And along with 0, it will gives you 360. So that's it. So the answer for this value is 360 divided by 100. So 360 divided by 100 is 3.6. So this is my value of M. This is my value of M. Now let's substitute this value of M here. So this will become 3.6 cross 10 raised to power 4 minus 3.6 cross 10 raised to power 2. So you can write 3.6 cross like 10 square times 10 square minus 3.6 cross 10 square. So it is 3.6. It will actually become 360 cross 10 square minus 3.6 cross 10 square. 360 minus 3.6 will become 356.4 cross 10 square. So it is actually 35640. Okay. 10 square means 2 decimal to the right. Okay. 2 digits to the right. So move decimal 2 digits to the right. It means 4 and then an extra 0. So this 35640 is your value for that expression. उसने हमसे ये नहीं कहा था कि आप आंसर स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में दें, अदरवाइज हम इसको स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में ही छोड़ देते. So you have to give some in number form, okay? Question 35. 4 raised to power 0 is too difficult question. It is m raised to power 8. It is 125. 5 times 5 times 5. It is 3 cube whole k is equals to 9. So 3 raised to power 3k is equal to 3 raised to power 2. So 3k is equal to 2. K is 2 over 3. Simplify that means turn this fraction upside down and make power positive. So x raised to power 8 whole power 1 over 4. 16 raised to power 1 over 4. 8 over 4 means 2. 16 raised to power 1 over 4 means 2. Moving on to question 38. So it is 8.63 cross 10 raised to power minus 4. Moving decimal to the right side. And the next part is 38. The table below shows the approximate area of some deserts: Antarctica, Arabian, Gobi, Kalahari, and Sahara. Write down the name of the desert with the largest area. So largest area means largest value in standard form. So how to tell the value, how to compare these values first of all. So look at the powers. Most of the powers are in 6. So try to convert every power in 6. So if you look at the first, it is 1.4 times, we can break down this 10 raised to power 7 this way. So it is 1 4 like 14 and times 14 times 10 raised to power 6. So this is also 10 raised to power 6. This is also 10 raised to power 6. Let's bring this power in 10 raised to power 6. So you can write 0.9 cross 10 cross 10 raised to power 5. Okay. 0.9 times 10 is 9. So it means I can write 9 as 0.9 times 10. So इसका फायदा क्या होगा? We can write 0.9 cross 10 raised to power 6. So now everything is in power of 6. Everything is in power of 6. Okay, everything is in power of 6. So who has the largest value with 10 raised to power 6? 14, 2.3, 1.3, 0.9, 9.0. Which one is the largest value? 14. And which one is the smallest value? 0.9. So largest area is for Antarctica and the smallest area for the desert is Kalahari, okay? But they're asking about the largest area. So you will write Antarctica. Calculate the total area of the Arabian and Kalahari deserts. Arabian and Kalahari, it means you will simply add. Arabian mean 2.3 cross 10 raised to power 6 plus 9.0 cross 10 raised to power 5, 2.3 cross 10 raised to power 6. So this converted into 10 raised to power 6 here. तो मैं वो आंसर यूज कर रहा हूँ 0.9 cross 10 raised to power 6. So 2.3 plus 0.9 can be written as 3.2 cross 10 raised to power 6. So that's it. Next, 7 raised to power minus 3 divided by 7 raised to power minus 4. Bring this power in the numerator. So 7 minus 3 plus 4 is just 1. So it means it has 7 answer. So 3 raised to power 6k is equals to 3 raised to power 2. 6k is equals to 2. K is 1/3. So 3 into 2 raised to power 4 times 3 raised to power 6 times 5 raised to power 4 twos are 8. So 2 raised to power 4 times 3 raised to power 7 times 5 raised to power 8. ये जो 3 आउटसाइड है इट हैज़ पावर 1. सो अब प्लीज नेवर अप्लाई डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव लॉ. डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव लॉ मल्टीप्लाई पे नहीं लगता. ठीक है. स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ मिस्टेक ये करते हैं, दे अप्लाई डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव लॉ. सो इट इज मल्टीप्लाई. सो इट मीन्स यू विल, इट हैज़ पावर 1. तो आप इसको और इसको यहाँ लिख देंगे विद, यू सिंपली ऐड बोथ पावर्स. Write these numbers in order of size starting with the smallest. So how to compare some numbers? Some of the numbers are in standard form, some of the numbers are in ordinary form. So it's up to you. So let's convert them in ordinary form. So what does this mean? 2 cross 10 is to power negative 4. इसकी ordinary form क्या होगी? Is it 0.0002 cross nothing? This is the ordinary number whose standard form is this. Agree or not? Yes. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. If you make standard form of this, you will get that. Okay. Now let's write the ordinary form of this. Is it 0 point just 02? That's it. If you make the standard form 2 cross 10 is to power 1, 2. Yes. So which is the smallest number? Which is the smallest number among these four? So this is the smallest number, but never write that number here. You write the original number. जो आपको ओरिजिनल नंबर्स दिए होते हैं आपने लिखने वही होते हैं. ये जस्ट आप जो कन्वर्जन करते हो ये आप खुद अपने लिए करते हो. ठीक है. सो इट इज 2 क्रॉस 10 रेज टू पावर -4. एंड देन इससे बड़ा कौन सा नंबर है? दिस वन. सो 0.002 एंड देन 0.2 cross 10 raised to power -2 and then 2000. That's it. That's it. This is a calculation using numbers in standard form. It is so important question. Solve this for A and B. So first of all, you will write A cross 10 raised to power -7 divided by 5 cross 10 raised to power B is equals to 4 cross 10 raised to power -16. Okay. There are multiple ways. Let's bring this on the other side. So if you bring this on the other side, you will write 4 cross 10 raised to power -16 cross 5 cross 10 raised to power b, which can be written as a cross 10 raised to power -7 is equals to 5 fours are 20 cross 10 raised to power -16 plus b. But this is not in standard form. Why this is not in standard form? Because it is 20. Okay, please never put a is equals to 20. That is wrong because this is not in standard form. So first bring this in standard form. वो कह रहा था कि the numbers given are in standard form. तो आप क्या करोगे? 2 cross 10 raised to power 1 cross 10 raised to power -16 plus b. So next, a cross 10 raised to power -7 is equals to 2 cross 10 raised to power 1 -16 plus b. So a cross 10 raised to power -7 is equals to 2 cross 10 raised to power -15 plus b. So a can be compared with 2. So yes, a is 2 and -7 is equals to -15 plus b. So 15 minus 7 is equals to b, and b is going to be 8. So a is 2, b is 8. That's it. It was a nice question. Right, as a power of 4, so 4 raised to power, how many 4s are there? 5. It is simply 5. It is 2 raised to power 4 is 16. 3 4s are 12. That's it. Right, in standard form, so 3.2, so many zeros. 8 zeros. So 2 over 4 means 0.5. Cross 10 raised to power minus 3 minus 9. So 0.5 cross 10 raised to power minus 12. So 5 cross 10 raised to power minus 1 cross 10 raised to power minus 12. So 5 cross 10 raised to power minus 13. So next question is, write as an ordinary number. किस नंबर की स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ये है? That is my actual question, okay? So it is 0.000754. Okay? If there is negative 4, it means 4 digits we moved to the right. But there was 1 digit, so there will be 3 more digits that are 0. Okay, 0 point. Next, it is x raised to power 6. So find the value of t. 1 over t square is equals to 9. So 1 over cross multiply करें, 1 over 9 is equals to t square. So taking square root on both sides, please never forget to put plus minus. Whenever you are taking square root, always put plus minus with it. Now, it is root 5 times 1 is equals to 5 raised to power k. So 5 raised to power 1 over 2 is equals to 5 raised to power k. So k is 1 over 2. The mass of the planet Saturn is this. The mass of the planet Venus is this. Calculate the difference in masses. So difference 5.7 cross 10 raised to power 26 minus 4.9 cross 10 raised to power 24. So 5.7 cross 10 raised to power 26 minus 4.9. 4.9 cross 10 raised to power, no, 5.7 cross 10 raised to power 2 separate, cross 10 raised to power 24 and 10 raised to power 24. That's it. So what is 5.7 cross 100? 570. Okay. Times 10 raised to power 24 minus 4.9 cross 10 raised to power 24. So what is 570 minus 4.9? So what is 570 minus 4.9? 570 minus 4.9 is going to be 565.1. So 565.1 cross 10 raised to power 24. But unfortunately, this number is not in standard form. So what we will do, we will move this decimal 2 digits to the left. So moving this decimal 2 digits to the left, 5.651 cross 10 square cross 10 to the power 24, which will give me 5.651 cross 10 square, 26. Find the values of A and value of B. So first of all, split this cube on A and B. Then compare A cube with 27 and power 3B with 4. So to find A, we will find the cube root. So let's take cube root on both sides. Let's take cube root on both sides. 27 raised to power 1 over 3. 3 will be cancelled out. So A is equals to 3 cube whole power 1 over 3. It will be cancelled out. So A is going to be 3. And then B is going to be 4 over 3. ठीक है. So B is 4 over 3. Next we have 47. And I think probably the last question. Yes. 47 x 12 whole power 2 over 3 divided by 8 raised to power 2 over 3. So it is x raised to power 12. 12 will be cancelled out with 3. So 4 twos are 8. 8 can be written as 2 cube. So 3 will be cancelled out. 2 raised to power 2 is 4. So x raised to power 8 over 4 is my answer. Give your answer in standard form. So simple. 4 twos are 8 cross 10 raised to power 9 minus 2, 10 raised to power 7. So we are done with this worksheet.